I said there's 4 green guys left up here. Go kill them. It appears all the rest of them quit.
Actually, they're all grouped up over at, what's it called?